you apologise for your comments?
Will you have a cup of tea?
Will you apologise for your
Would
comments?
you like a cup of tea?
Yeah, sure.
You go on, have a cup of tea.
Thank you. Do you regret? Do you
like
regret?
a cup of
Do
tea?
you regret your comments? Do you regret your comments?
Don't, go on, have a cup of tea.
Thank you very much.
There you go. There you go.
Do you regret your comments, sir?
I want you to have a cup of tea.
If I have a cup of tea, will you answer my question?
No, I'm here solely on a humanitarian mission because you've been here all day and you've been incredibly patient and I feel very sorry for you because I have nothing to say about this matter except to offer you some tea.
Okay.
Okay, go on.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much.
Go on.
You won't wait for this gentleman, would you?
Come on.
Running after his tea.
Come on. Come on, you've been here all day and you've been heroic. So I don't want to. Here you go. I feel very guilty for keeping you here. Look, why don't I give this whole tray to you? Can I